San Jose, officially the municipality of San Jose, Central Bicol, Banwaan can San Jose, in Tagalog, Bayan ng San Jose, is a fourth-class municipality in the province of Camarines Sur, Philippines. According to the 2020 census, it has a population of 43,973 people, and formerly known as Patrocinio. It is located at the southern part of the province, approximately 52 kilometers south of Metro Manila, and it is a distance of about 55 kilometers from Naga City and 45 kilometers away from the town of Pili, the capital town of the province.
The construction of the church started in 1818 under the strictest rule of Cora Parroco, Father Mendoza. It has a Romanesque architectural dimension with lime-plastered walls, designed by a certain Felix Paete. The sand and lime used in its construction were taken from Barangay Dulo, about 6 kilometers away.
The place was formerly called Sitio Cabayawasan, which means guava or guava orchard. In the 1880s, the place was known to have been grown with many guava trees, particularly in the quadrangle which served as the spacious backyard of the old convent. The front part also served as the usual venue for religious and cultural activities such as the cenaculo.
The gigantic monument of Christ the King, Cristo Rey, can be found at the church patio. It was donated by Primitivo Ortiz Ubias and inaugurated on October 27, 1952. The monument was mounted on an elevated portal to give it a lordly treatment. It is facing east at the town center. Likewise, the base of the monument portal is also elevated like a low raised floor.
The convent was built later than the church. Accordingly, before its construction, the first Cora could have stayed in an improvised parochial house made of caña and tipa. It also functions as the municipal tribunal. During the Spanish time, the residence of the Cora was also the residence of the capital municipal.
In 1988, the old convent was converted into a preparatory seminary. In fact, its size made Archbishop Leonardo Z. Legazpi decide to convert it into a pre-college seminary, purposely to accommodate the growing need of the Holy Rosary